Okay, Bula everybody. How are you all this afternoon? Hope you're all well. Such a beautiful view from down here. Thought I'd let you have a quick look. I'm just about 100, maybe less, maybe 50 meters away from the beach. So what a beautiful place. What a beautiful place to come down in the afternoons. So hope you're all well this Monday, Tuesday, I forget what day it is, Monday. Hope you're all well. Hope you guys doing good at home or work or, whatever you need to do to get things done. This is me, of course, coming to you from live from Fiji, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys the best way to learn how to trade Forex when you don't have a lot of capital. So that'll be my topic for today. As you jump on, guys, don't forget to say hi and tell me where you're coming in from. Hey Tuma, how are you, brother? Bula Tricks, how are you? Hope you guys are well. Tuma, good fishing over the weekend, man. Well done. Vinaka Tavale. Thank you, guys. Thanks for hopping on. I'm going to just jump straight into it, guys. I'm going to be sharing with you guys the best way to learn how to trade Forex when you don't have a lot of capital. So the best way to learn how to trade Forex when you don't have a lot of capital is to really learn the correct way to trade in the financial markets. You see, this will improve your researching. This will involve you researching the courses online. Hi, Epi. Hey, I'll do a bit of a shout out at the end, but feel free to keep saying hi, guys, and I'll do a shout out at the end. Thank you so much for joining. So for you to do stuff like this, of course, it will involve a bit of research. So this will involve you researching the courses online, paying a fee, and then of course joining the courses. Now, how do you know if they're real? Research, guys, research. You might already know someone who is learning how to trade. Personal referrals is the best way, really. I mean, that's how most of us go and do almost anything, isn't it? We usually ask a friend or a family member about the best place to go to school, shop, eat, dance, drink, holiday. Let me get back on track here. You will obviously pay a fee for the education and a fee to open your trading account with a broker. This is where you will store your trading money. You will then open up an account with TradingView for your chart analysis. That's where you will see all the graphs and lines and so begins your education in trading Forex. Now, as a family or as a family member or as a friend to you, I must caution you on 3 important facts. You see, first, guys, there's no guarantee that you will make any money when you trade these financial markets. Only trade what you can afford to lose. Why? Because, second reason, just like in school, if you don't study, you don't pass the test. If you don't learn, your chances of winning drop significantly. Third, this trading industry has a common saying: 90% of traders will lose 90% of their money in their first 90 days or less. For one trader to win, another must lose. And that, gang, is the reality of the trading industry. Now, for those that hear this message, the timid would shy away from such odds. The bold, however, see the huge opportunity in plain sight. The Forex industry is the most highly liquid financial market in the world. How liquid? Over $5 trillion traded per day. Per day. $1 trillion per day. I see opportunities all over this industry. So if 90% of traders lose their money, then 10% of traders are making a killing. Guess who's also part of that 10% category? Our big banking institutions. How do they do that? Proper education, proper fundamental and technical trading education. Why learn to trade on the world financial markets? Well, firstly, if my bank can profit from my money while it's in there with them, I see no reason why I can't do the same. Second, it's a skill set you can learn to acquire, like an electrician, a lawyer, a cashier, a mechanic, a doctor, a plumber, a pilot, a flight attendant. Thirdly, you can learn how to compound your income with a trading strategy. This strategy can lead to financial independence and a bit of freedom. Fourthly, you can choose the type of trader you want to be to suit your lifestyle, to save you from sitting there in front of your phone 24/7. And all you need is a willingness to learn, a burning desire to succeed, and an internet connection. For me, the best way to learn Forex trading when I don't have a lot of capital is to also create a residual income just by simply sharing this information. So, if you'd like to learn more, type info below and I'll send you some simple, easy steps you can take right now to start earning while you're learning. Okay, a couple of shout outs to everybody that jumped on. Hey you Tuma, thanks buddy. Trix, Bulatavale, Epi all the way from the USA, Michael Ting, Bula bro, Eric all the way from wherever you are at. Hi Steph, Bula Gerald, how you guys, man? Hope you guys having a good evening, good afternoon. Hey guys, if my experiences have been helpful in any way, just say hi or comment if you're already learning to trade, as I'm sure we'd all like to hear your thoughts. Two heads are better than one. Like, because it helps spread my message. Share, because this message might just help someone. And subscribe, because we're getting along. This is Fred from Fiji. Till our next videos, Sotatale.